Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp scampi, only ways. Begin by gathering peeled, deveined shrimp, garlic, butter, olive oil, lemon, parsley, salt, and pepper. Pat shrimp dry with paper towels and season lightly. Heat a wide skillet until hot, then add oil and a bit of butter. Cook shrimp briefly on each side until just opaque, then remove to finish the sauce. I will walk you through the exact ingredients and tools so you can reproduce the dish easily. Use peeled, deveined shrimp and keep them cold until the skillet is ready. Mince garlic finely and chop parsley roughly for freshness. Have lemon halves ready for squeezing at the end. A wide skillet gives even heat, and tongs help flip shrimp quickly to avoid overcooking while you build the sauce. If you are enjoying this recipe and finding it helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which pairs nicely with cooking on a budget or splurging on quality ingredients. I find it a fun, practical read, and it made me rethink pantry priorities. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps to make the sauce sing and keep shrimp tender. Sear shrimp in a hot skillet for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until just opaque and slightly golden. Remove shrimp briefly, then add garlic and cook until fragrant but not browned. Deglaze with a splash of white wine or some reserved pasta water, then swirl in butter, lemon juice, and parsley. Return shrimp to coat and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.